Sure that you are sitting at the, you all never change seats on your own hall. Anyone want to change seats? Never hall. Must respect your teacher's wishes. Yes? Sorry? Okay, so you see, okay guys, if you see, for example, by now, if you look at how the teacher mark, the teacher will mark, let's say this question got 3 marks. 1 mark will go to the intersect. 1 mark go to the shape. Your shape must look like a hand, okay? 1 mark will go to the asymptote. Okay, also make sure you write down the asymptote. Okay, there are total 3 marks given. Okay? You need to know how to draw. Ethan, what did I say? No, you need to know how to draw the graph. You need to know how to draw the graph. Okay, very important. Okay, Ethan To, Ethan Yo. Okay, very important. Ethan To, I got you. Okay, so next one is D. So D, the base is less than 1/4. And the base is less than 1. So it's downward sloping. Okay? If I saw one student, he did this. Okay, so for example, can I say this is the same as this? Can I say this is the same as this? Just to spur your thought a bit. Can I say this is the same as this? Can Are you with me? With me? With me? With me? With me? Okay. So, can I say this is the same as this? Can I say this is the same as this? That means, can I say this is the same as this? Can hor? Can hor? Can? Cannot Okay. Okay, where are you lost? Is it the first, the second, or the third? I'm just trying to stretch your thinking a bit. The first, I do change of base. So I change the new base to 4 and 4. Is it okay? Can So, end of the day, what am I trying to tell you is, I'm trying to tell you that actually, in general, the formula is that log AX can be the same as, negative log 1/AX. You can also say that log 1/AX is the same as negative log AX. They are the same. Okay, and you see that it's downward sloping. So, what else am I trying to tell you? Right? So please listen carefully. What else am I trying to tell you? If I ask you to draw, for example, first one, okay, try this question. Y equals to, say, log 5x. Try y equals to log 1/5x. If you have been paying attention just now, you should be able to draw for me in 1 minute. Okay, so give this a try. On anywhere on the draft paper, try this. Sketch on a single diagram. You can do it on your practice set 3 now. Okay? Can I just give it a try? There's a reason why I asked you to do. Also, please try diligently. Okay? Ethan Yo, are you trying? Trying. Must make sure you try diligently. Okay? Zihan, are you trying? Okay. What happened? Are you okay? Okay. Okay, I close the door because next door very loud. Yeah, someone getting scolded. Okay. Is it okay? Will they intersect? Yes. They will. Okay, so remember, what is this? If you have followed the lesson just now, you will know that this is the same as log base 5 of x, right? So how do you draw log 5x and negative log 5x basically? They are just the along the x-axis. Very good. So if you all know this, then you just draw out very simply. Alright. First one, this is y equals to log base 5x. Let me use another color. Second, alamak. Yes. Give me 1 second. Let me just write out the number. Okay, done. This is the answer. Okay, ma? Do you all get this? Yes. Log 4x. Not so crucial for now. Okay, but if you really want to know, log 4, right, will be a bit higher. It will be higher. Why is that so? Because you see, okay, you think about it. If I'm base 2, you are base 3. And this y value is the result. Base 2 has to work harder. You agree or not? Base 2, if I want to get to where you are, I need to work. Okay, can. So if I need to go to base 3, I need to go the same y value, I need to work twice as hard. Okay, I need to work twice as hard. Can? You don't look at me. Is that okay? What are you writing? Love letter. Okay, so can so that's why but not so crucial. Yeah. How do I know it's 1? How do I know it's 1? It's always 1. It's always 1. Why is that so? Because when you want to find the y-intercept, right? What do you do? When you want to find the x-intercept, what do? You sub y equals to 0. In general, y equals to log ax. If you sub y equals to 0, you always get x equals to 1. So you have 1, 1, 0. Can you see? 1, 0 here. Can it's always 1. It's always 1. Can It's always 1. Okay. All know how to do? Okay, so question 13. I look at the school, 1,500 students. Okay, how many students will be infected after 6 days? So you literally just sub t equals to 6. Make sense? You sub t equals to 6 here. Okay, so now you sub t equals to 6. What answer do you get? About 148. Am I right? You round up. Someone's phone ringing. No more. Okay, so you round up. Okay, you round up. Okay, so in general you round up. Okay, so you all listen. Okay, so this one you round up because I think you all got 147.9, right? Right, 147.9. If you are not sure in this kind of situation whether you see 147 or 148, my advice not foolproof, but 99% of the time is a round up. Okay, what do I mean? Okay, so I think this one you all got 147.9, right? But it's students, so common sense. Students, you cannot cut into half. So it's a 148. Okay, then now you go to part 2. Do you all get 8.13? Anyone never get? Can get or not? Okay, so I need to tell you all, the marking is very strict. Okay, so that means if they ask you to do this kind of question, they expect to see you substitute inside. So you need to show, like, for example, the substitution. Okay, you need to sub your 600, 0.4. Okay, as we come closer and closer to the quiz, I remind you, when you write out, you need to write out your steps. Try not to skip steps. Okay? Who is capable of skipping steps? Example, strong students like you. Also, you need to remember, try to be a bit more detailed, especially if it's a show question. Okay? Can okay, so if you get 8.13, then you realize, right, I put 9 days. Why? Because, okay, you see, okay, guys, if at 8 days, right, the days start clocking, I start my time, at the 8th day, have I reached 40%? Have I reached 40%? Haven't. So at the 9th day, I'll reach 40%. Okay, last time COVID, it was the same. don't know those who were here long before the scholars. 2020, last time there was a trigger. 5 students, if 5 students in the class get COVID, the whole class go for HBL. Last time it was like that. I don't even remember. Primary school, yeah. So here, so it's also the same. Today, Monday, 4 people. Tuesday, Edison still COVID. Sorry. Okay. So COVID. Okay, so Tuesday. If Tuesday hit the 5th person, Wednesday then they will start HBL. Okay? Wednesday they will start HBL. So it's always you round up. What am I saying here? 8.13. If you don't understand what I say, just remember you round up. You don't round down. You round down. Why? Because at the 8th day, we haven't reached 40%. At the 9th day, then I reach. Is it okay?
Is it okay if you don't use inequality? You use equal instead?
You can use. Oh yes, it's fine. Log inequality, you will see in chapter 4. Okay, you will see in chapter 4. Okay, huh? Any question? Go up. Doing now, huh? 3 then? 3 do already. It's okay. Do it. Okay. Oh, okay, huh? Okay. So, if you want, I can send you everything. All the practice set solution. It will be inside the Google Drive as well. So if you want, you want to airdrop. Can I go down? Oh, there's no one to share with. Okay, so I'll just wait here a while. Yes, you hand in. Okay, I'll just wait a while in case you need to copy. Then I pass the file around. Wait. I pass the file. Let me pass the file around. Okay, bias. Down. Okay. This one no need to do. This one is okay. The graph question no need to do. It's okay, sir. Yeah. Why?
I still totally doing.
You still late doing Okay. So sorry about it.
It's okay.
Okay. Huh?
Did you announce in the group chat that we didn't have to do it?
I thought I did. I didn't. I'm going through assignment. But I probably won't go through the last one. Just that you all read the solution. Okay. So I start. Okay. Just remember it's a round up. Just remember how it's a round up. Okay? Okay. May I go to assignment now? Can hor? Okay. So I go to assignment now. Okay, first one you can see okay, children. Okay, it is a show question. So what you cannot do okay, this question in fact can I have your attention? Okay, so this one if you see right, it is a show question so in a show nothing is obvious. So let me tell you okay, how the other teachers mark, because I may not be the one marking, right? So I just say, okay, when the teachers look for show question, they need to see, listen carefully, they need to see elaborate use of the laws of logarithm. They need to see elaborate use of the laws of logarithm. So if you do like this, it's wrong. It's wrong. Okay, it's actually wrong. What do they need to see? They need to see this, Need this. Need to see the detailed use of power law. They want to see you use power law. So you need to do an extra step. You know how some okay, I can imagine some of you will probably just skip steps, right? So don't skip. Okay, don't skip. Strong students especially, you think, no, you don't skip steps. You write a bit more. Scholars, those that who like to skip steps also, don't skip. Yeah.
Can you log both sides?
Sorry?
Can you log both sides instead of log that?
Now, because this is log both sides, okay, but this is a showing question. Okay, so I must start on one side I will end up on the other. So what I'm saying from here to here cannot. Okay, bias. Here to here cannot. Here to here you need to show the log first, right? Okay, then you add another step. Then after that, this is step 1. 1 second, let me finish. Step 2, step 3. Then step 3 you say log 3x plus log 3x over 2. Then finally this is step 4. Then finally this is step 5. Those who copy, can you just make sure you copy step 3 as well? Okay, do I have you, Tara? What did I say just now? Did you catch what I said? Make sure you write down step 3. Yes.
So I have to like show the law.
Yes. The rationale is the teacher must see that you are using a law. They are using a law. Okay, so all the marks here go to you. For example, they must see the power law. So you can see over from here to here, I cannot see power law. Okay, it's not clear lah. It's not clear. Okay, so you need to bring the 2 down. 2 log 3, then change this to 2. Can Jun Kai? Oh, cannot log both sides. Oh, what do you mean by log both sides?
Log x equals 3 log x. Can you log 10 or something? Log x out of log 3 plus log x.
Oh, can. It was. Oh, okay, let me show you. 1 second, 1 second. I think, Jun Kai, this is what you mean, is it? Is it something like this? Something like this? Oh, okay, just look at how beautiful the hand is. Okay. Jun Kai, is this your working also? No, what do you do? No, okay. So this is what I mean by, okay. You see how? Okay, okay, so when you are doing this, you see, okay, now, Jun Kai, you see, I need to show. Show means you cannot write an equation from the start. Because you are not showing anything, Okay, so you say, okay, prove that Jun Kai is a murderer. Your first line in court as a lawyer, Jun Kai is a murderer. Are you proving anything? No. What do? You will say, you will start from one side of the equation. On the 13th of February, Jun Kai went to JV's house. Jun Kai took out a knife. Then Jun Kai took out a water gun. Jun Kai took out a water gun, then he shoot JVE. Isabel saw this. Evie also saw. Xingyang called the police. Then after everyone ran downstairs. Everyone screamed. Therefore, based on all this, a lot of eyewitnesses have proved that Jun Kai is the murderer. You understand? So if you just write straight away, you are not proving anything. You need to write down. Same as math lah. Okay. That's why I cannot write this. I cannot straight away write this. Because I'm not proving equality. Math is where you're proving. You must start. Sorry. Okay. You must start from one side. You see how I start from one side? Jun Kai, you see how I start from one side? Okay. Move until the right side. I start on the left, I end on the right. That is proving. So far? So questions that ask for show, prove. You need to start on one side and on the other. You cannot just log both sides. Clear so far? Okay, pay attention. Okay, so
The file disappeared.
file disappear. You'll come back soon. Don't worry. It's with Sitong. Okay. Okay. Who say can eat in class? Okay. Anyway, 1 part 2. Okay, 18.7. Okay. No water already. Is it okay? I did it. Okay. 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 You all went to Nanyang. Okay. 你这个，你交了对吗？你交了哦。Most of you submit already, right? Submit already is okay.
Can you send me the slide with
The which one? the graph. Just now one. This one, right? Okay. Ah, sorry, I couldn't catch you. You mean this one, right? Okay. Is your airdrop on? I don't see you. Ah, okay. Okay, done. Done, ah? Okay. Okay, next one. Part 2, 18.7 should be okay, right? 18.7 should be okay, ah? But power 4. That power 4 is 10,000 eh. It's not 18.7 eh. I think wrong eh. If you got 10 power 4, maybe got mistake. You check your working again. Okay, this one is not the same as this. I think you... No, I don't know how you got this. How you get the 4? How do you log 3 become log 2? Question 2, solve by substitution. Okay, so... Which graph? Okay. 2 and 6, huh? Okay, 2 and 6, huh? So you get 2 and 6, you will get 2. Remember to sub back. Shh, listen. 2 power x equals to 2, 2 power x equals to 6. That gives you 1 or ln 6 over ln 2, which is 2.6. Okay? You should get ln 6. Sorry? What? What? Oh, because the question requires so. The question asks for 1 dp. So I said you see, huh? Over here. Okay, now you caught it, okay. Just be careful, sometimes it's a typo, huh? Okay. Okay, 1 or 2.6. You can get? Sorry. Can get? Can get? Okay. So next, yeah. Okay, so from here, okay, you see, by the power law, listen. Shut up, Ethan. Okay, Ethan To, sorry. Okay, equals to ln 6. Can I do this by the power law? So that's why I can divide ln 2, ln 6 divided by ln 2, which gives you 2.6. So precisely, remember I said before that when you have the x as a power, it's good for you to bring down the power. You take log on both sides, the power will come down. Especially if you got e you take ln, then you take log. Okay, okay. Help me to keep your iPad properly. I may step on it. I step. Okay. Any issue? Okay, Some of you have already done. If you have done your assignment, you just put it on the table. Okay, just put it on the table. Can? Okay. 3 part 1. 3 part 1. Okay, help me check the answer. Okay. What are you doing? Checking line Oh, you do factorization. Take out 3 power x. Okay, Okay, so next one, 3 part 2. 3 part 2 should be quite easy. Sorry? The file. Yeah, you put inside the file. Because I got no hands. Yeah. Okay, so you mean like this here? Okay. What question?
I didn't get the answer.
Question 1?
This question 1, the next one. I think question 2.
Question 2, the answer 2.6 and 1. Later can? Later give me a one. Yes. Why is there 2.6? Why is there 2.6? Oh, okay. Because the question asked. Yeah. So you see, it's just it's a flaw lah. The question asked for 1 second 1 second Let me help 1% at a time. 1 dp. Okay Okay, so okay. Can?
Wait, how come? Oh, I rejected. That's probably why.
So you don't reject. Remember wait, 2 power x. Which one do you reject? Why do you reject?
2x equals 6 because I felt that you didn't.
Oh, can reject. Can keep. Okay Guys I ask you shh, listen. Okay, quick one 2 power x. You see this Shut up, Ito. You see this? Do you accept or reject? Reject. Why? Oh, sorry. You reject or accept? Reject. Why? What's the reason? Pay attention. Because. Okay, good. You reject and you write down reason because 2 power x more than 0. 2 ln x equals to -3. Do I reject or accept? Do I reject? Jukai? Who say reject? Do I reject? Why don't reject? Why? Don't reject because x can be e power -3. Okay ln can be negative. Right? Ln can be negative. Okay? Can So exponential cannot be negative, but log can be negative. What's the deal about log? Okay, y equals to log ax. I ask again So it's why I say a lot of time If you cannot answer me, I will remind you. Okay. Let me ask you, what's the condition on A? What's the condition on A? A, handsome, Tuan. What's the condition on A? A must be what? And cannot be 1. Very good. What about x? The growth rate cannot be 1. You cannot be growing at the rate of 1. Zoe, what is the oh shit, I forgot. What is the condition on x? What's the condition on x? X cannot be. X must be more than 0 Okay. What's the condition of y? What's the condition of y? Oh, no water already. Okay. What's the condition of y? Sitong. What's the condition of y? Is there even any condition? No, don't have. Okay can? Okay. So I go to 3 part B. part 1B, 31.6. Sorry. Yeah, actually if I were you, I would prefer exact. But the question didn't state. So if you leave non-exact, we cannot fault you. So I put both there. Okay Can Then you'll remember, use pencil for your graph. Remember to label origin. Label x, y axis. Can
That was the lesson I missed, right?
That was the lesson you missed. But it's a lesson you will learn. Okay.
Is it on YouTube?
It's on YouTube. I put down last week. Okay, question 3 part 2. Okay, then yes. Can. Yeah, can. Okay, can 3 part 3, is it okay? What are you doing? Google. Okay. Okay, 3 part 3 Okay, 3 part 3. So 3 part 3, okay, you see, you adjust the equation. Shh, listen. 3 part 3 is a common kind of question. You see, you draw log x. After that, they ask you to solve this. Okay, they ask you to solve the equation. Right? So what do you do? You simply adjust this equation until you get log x on one side, you get another equation on the other side. Clear so far? So you have log x You have log x. I'm aiming for the bird, I missed. Okay, so then after that, okay, you see, I push to 10 power half. You will see that, okay, this equation is the same as this, is the same as this, is the same as this. But what you have here is, this is already drawn. This is already drawn, correct? This is already drawn. Now, if I draw this line, if I draw this, then the solution or the intersection to both equation, right, will be the answer. That is why I know that this is the graph I will draw. This is the graph I will draw. Clear so far? This is the graph I will draw. This is okay. Should be minus, not plus. Should be minus because you see, plus over is not minus. Can, huh? Yeah. Can x minus 4, x minus 2 over 4 is it? Okay, can, both okay. Yes, make it equation. Make it equal. Okay, Mitra said something correct. Okay, make it equal to the equation that's already given. Clear so far? Clear so far? Can Okay. Okay, so question 3 done Anyone? Everyone okay? Question 3 okay or not? Okay, question 3 okay Okay. Wait Okay, wait. Thanks for telling me. Okay. 去除，因为这第5、第6题不在那个今年的考的范围之内。Square root 叫那个根号去有些年没有考根号。Okay. So question 3 part 3 done Ethan okay? Ethan okay Question 4. Question 4. Okay so I need to solve. Are you still in Wonderland? Okay, so can you see what am I doing? I'm doing packing. Okay, so what I pack. You can see that I'm basically packing 1, 2, and 3. I'm packing all my logs together. I pack all the logs together. Okay? You can see here to here, I'm using quotient law and product law. Okay, After which, from here to here, I bring 5 over to the right hand side. That's how I get 5 power 1. This is actually 5 power 1. Okay, you solve, you get x equals to 6. Okay, okay, look at the front, why you look at the back? Okay, can you get x equals to 6. Okay? No water really. Okay. 4b. Okay, so for 4b, just okay. 4a is okay. Is it okay? Is it okay, everyone? If I see you use screen pen, then I pause a while. Okay. I think some are. I wait a while. Don't put your hand on the table. Okay. Wait, Zhihan, you're next. Xuanhan, you're next. Okay. Shooting you next. Okay. Yes? 4b. Okay, 4b, right? I think a lot of students did this from here to here. Common mistake, A lot of students, they write log y equals to 2. They log y equals to square root 2. A lot of them forgot. They forgot minus. They forgot log y equals to negative square root 2. So you must remember, guys, when you take a square, there's a need to plus minus both sides. Clear so far? Tara, what did I say? What did I say? Okay, just remember, a lot of students, when they did this assignment, they forgot to plus minus. So when you square root both sides, remember to take plus and minus, so you can get 2 answers. Okay? How come you log y square is not the same as 2? Okay, another common mistake. Somebody did this, huh? Okay. Log, okay, let me borrow. Okay, never mind. Sorry. Log y square, is this the same as 2 log y? No, this is the wrong use. What? Hey, don't laugh. Okay, this is common, Okay. What about log y square? Is this the same as 2 log y? Yes, So, what's the difference? Here, the power 2 is for the entire log. Here, the power 2 is only for y. Okay, Clear so far? Can, Okay. Then, yes, this is log y square. So after that, you square root both sides.
Why is it not y square not?
Because, okay, there's a difference between log of y square, and log y entire square. You understand? The difference. There's a difference. Sine of 45 square versus sine 45, the entire function square. Is there a difference? Yes, this is the second one is sine 45 times sine 45. This is sine of 45 square. No, this is log y times log y. Can you see? Log y times log y. You cannot apply the laws of power law. Log y times log y, you cannot apply power law. So, you see, you can only apply the power law when the 2 belongs solely to the y. Clear so far? This is, you are squaring the entire log function. So just be careful. A lot of students, common mistake, they made the, they were doing power law for this. That's where they get a mistake. This water I take from the toilet bowl one. No, just kidding. Boy, it's boy. I brought from home. Boy for 7 days, 7 nights. Okay. So that's why you have 26 and 0.039. If you forget this, please take note. Clear? Yes, Javier? Sorry? Aiyo! Okay, so, thank you, Isaac. I can't work for you. Okay.
I don't know why my one is like wrong. It's like completely different.
For okay, so pay attention. Where's your assignment? Open it. Why is it not on the table? Okay, so this you bring down, right? It should be 2, not 10. It should be 2. Yes? No need. It's okay. You do it on your own. One question do on your own. Okay, please pay attention when I'm talking. Can? Please pay attention when I'm talking. Okay, so now I will go on to question. 5 is okay. 5 you just do on your own. You just do on your own. Okay. 5 is a stretch. It's a difficult question. If you can do, good. But I probably won't mark as you all see. I'll just ask you all to read on your own. Yes. I don't know. Sketch. Now we identify the range of values. Okay, so you see that's why the solution is basically x equals to -3. Okay, give me. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Okay. After that, that's the answer. Okay, there's only one answer. Yes.
This value or this value, when is it like a string?
Good question. Okay, so for example, if I were to solve something like this, say say x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 5 less than 0. What would the answer be? It'll be here, right? Basically it's 2 and 5, right? 2 and 5. It'll be below, correct? So in a sense, we are looking at this. This region tells us that we want x to be more than 2 and less than 5. Correct? So I want more than 2 and less than. This reads as x is more than 2 n less than 5. But if I see something like this, I will get something like this, right? I will be using the left hand side, right hand side, right? Can you see? So you go correct. So it'll be x less than 2 or x more than 5. Okay, ma? When there's two sets, end of the day, when there's two sets, you use or. Okay? Where there's two sets, those who are copying, if you're copying, may I bring your attention here? Where there's two sets, you use or. Where there are two sets, you use or. When there's one set, you use and. Jun Kai, later can you help me get chicken rice or cai fan? So you will get either, right? Okay, no? I want you to run away towards the right of cai fan or towards the left of chicken rice. You know where to go, right? Jun Kai, I want you to stand between the two flagpoles. Where will it be? Two flagpoles. I'm on the left of the flagpole, I'm on the right. So it's an and. Okay, so basically when there's one set, one united set, I use and. Two sets, I use or. Is it okay? So you okay? Can? Okay. Can? Okay, so I got bigger guns. Come on, I'll bring. Okay, so question 2.5. Thursday. Okay, so you turn the whole face dripping already. Okay, so 2.5. So 2.5, you just use the answer for the earlier question 2.1 and 2.2. You take the intersection. Alison, don't take photo, do yourself. You never bring the book? You don't have the what? Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, 2.5 is not in your book, I realize. You all might just want to try it out, okay? Okay, 2.5, yeah, because you all not paying attention. That's why you all are. Okay, so 2. You realize, okay, you realize. Okay. So then please try 2.5. Then we'll stop at 2. So today we consider that we have completed part 2 lah, Okay. One second. Here to here wrong. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Straight hand, you see? Here. It's actually this guy. It's actually this one. Because you see this. Yes. Who call me? Do you call me? Okay. 1 second. Yeah?
Is this question? I don't know what
What's going on?
standard deviations are.
You don't know what is standard deviation.
This formula.
This formula is the one that's provided. Inside the one that's taught lah. Okay, basically is this formula. It's standard deviation, right? Is this one. Square root the sum of x square over n minus the sum of x over n square. This value here, this is the mean. This one is the mean. Do you remember? This is the mean. This one means sum, the sigma, sum. Also means sum. So this is the summation of x squared divided by n. This is the summation of x over n. Okay, for example, I give you an example. Okay, 500 meter timing. 2 minutes plus, around there. 2 minutes plus. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. So, Mitra is asking me standard deviation. Okay. So, example, Monday, Mitra's 500 meter timing 231. Okay. 235. That day, Zisan quarrel review 240, 245. Okay. Thursday, Zisan buy you roses 221. Friday, Zisan ask you out for Valentine. 2 minute flat. Wow. Okay, so after that, this is your x value. So what's the summation of x square? Sum x square means I sum x square. Sum x square. This is basically, okay. Let's pretend it's numbers lah. There's number. Okay, so this will be like 2 minutes 31, like 231 square. Okay, so on and so forth. Plus 2 minutes square. You understand? You square all the numbers. Okay, what is n? N is 5. Your data is 5. What's the summation of x? You add up 231 plus 235 plus 245, so on and so forth. You understand? So when you do summation x divide by n, you are finding the mean. You are finding mean. Okay, so standard deviation means you are finding how far they are away from the mean. If your standard deviation is big, it means that your value is spread out, not consistent. But if your standard deviation is small, let's say your mean is small, that means you are very consistent. Okay, you are very consistent. Okay, yes, Jun Kai. Come again? You went fine, it's in the formula list. Yeah. Okay. Yes, sorry. Here. Go back to the earlier one, this one. So Jun Kai is asking for this. But there are two types, okay? One's with the frequency. Pay attention. Okay, are you paying attention? Are you paying attention? Okay. Okay, can So that's all for today. Okay. Can Okay. That's all. Okay, go to LT1 for your counseling talk. Okay. Are you paying attention? Okay, go to okay, go. Go. Okay, don't need to give me. Faster go. But you must listen to what I say. Okay.